In this video, you'll learn how to use an eBay gift card online. By following these steps, you will be able to make purchases using your gift card balance effectively. This process is straightforward and ensures that you can enjoy your shopping experience with ease. Begin by navigating to the eBay website and logging into your account. Ensure that you have your username and password ready for a smooth sign-in process. Once you are logged in, browse for the item you wish to purchase. After finding the desired product, click the button labeled Buy It Now to proceed to the checkout page. Once you are on the checkout page, carefully review the items in your cart. It is important to verify that the total amount reflects your expectations. This includes checking for any additional shipping fees or taxes. When you are satisfied with your selections, continue by moving to the payment section of the checkout process. In the payment section, look for the field specifically designated for gift cards. This is where you will enter your gift card code. Make sure to input the code accurately, as any mistakes could result in the code not being accepted. After entering the code, click the button labeled Apply to add the gift card balance to your order total. After applying the gift card, you should see the balance deducted from the total amount due. If the total still exceeds the gift card balance, you have the option to combine it with another payment method, such as a credit card or PayPal. Confirm that the updated amount reflects the gift card deduction. Once you have successfully applied the gift card and confirmed your payment details, proceed to finalize the checkout process. Confirm your shipping address to ensure that your order is sent to the correct location. After reviewing the payment summary and verifying all details, submit your order securely. It is advisable to keep your gift card information private and save the order confirmation for your records. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.